Before we start ARC surveying, we need to do some simple settings and checks. Take Geodex G60 Pro GNSS receiver as an example. First, open the project manager of ARC software Geodex 6.0. This is a new project. Click to check basic information, put project name, and check the coordinate systems parameters. You can click here to select the coordinate systems type, or click here, input by manual. Click this add, you can input the coordinate system by manual, or click this template to select the predefined from the template list. Most of the coordinate systems for various countries and areas have been predefined. For example, we select Australia, the coordinate system information is available. The new project is set up. Next, let's go to connect the rover with internet. Ntrip. Now, we select data link phone internet, and input IP and server port, check user and password, then click get here, and it will prompt get mount point successfully. Select the required mount point. After setting, click start here, it will prompt login successfully. Then the ARC's data status will start loading. Finally, click apply to complete the connection of Rover and Internet Ntrip. It will achieve a fixed solution. These are the two main contents of this issue. For more exciting content, welcome to follow our channel at Geodex Surveying Technology.